Hello everyone. You can see this possum is struggling to climb up the tree. If they can't go up and eat, they eventually may starve and die. This possum is a rare endangered Western Ringtail Possum and was screaming and wasn't comfortable at all. So we rang local wildlife rescue volunteers. The lovely lady you're about to see in this video came immediately and rescued the injured possum.
I'll help you. Come on. Come on. Whoop, here he goes. Oh, look at here. Come here. Come here. It's a bit hard to catch here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. That wasn't very elegant, was it? Go in there. I was trying to look at his feet, but they don't seem to be burnt or anything. Let's have a look at you. What's wrong with you? Oh, yes, they are. See the foot?
Oh, yeah.
It's only mild, but this time of the year, they're, see? And which means he can't climb. Oh, it's a she. And because she can't climb, she can't eat, and she'll die. Have you got a baby? Have you got a little baby? Yeah. Gonna have a look down the other end. Feels like there should be. No, perhaps not. Nope. Nothing in there. Whoop. Just bird feet. You can.